So if you have a custom printer, as you can see here, we'll go through the process of how to load the paper. So you'll take your roll of paper and you'll put it on the spindle there. You want to make sure the paper is wrapping underneath. Then you'll take a bracket and you'll put it on the end and just let it drop right there. And it keeps the roll of paper from going off to the sides. Now, as a reach to the back for the edge of the paper, and make sure the edge of the paper is smooth and straight, like so. So on the back of the printer, you'll see the green slides. And easily, all you have to do is put the paper right in between, and as you let it go in or push it in, it will grab the paper and it will pull it in for you. And it'll take it in and it'll cut out a piece of paper for you. And so that lets you know that it's set and ready to go.